This is the Lowboy wood kick drum beater. I got this beater because I wanted to try a wood beater, and let me tell you, I think it's the best of the in-between between a felt beater and a plastic beater. It has a little bit of the knock of a plastic beater without the harsh top end, and it has the warmth of a felt beater with a little bit of the sharperness that you get from a plastic beater. In my opinion, wood beaters are able to go right in between both of them, and this one is no exception. What you see here is you have a flat head on the front. You do have a kind of rounded head back here. It says Lowboy at the bottom, and then I got the version where it has kind of the two black stripes on it. The rod here has not bent since I've been using it. It still looks brand new, and it sounds amazing. If I were to relate it to drumsticks, this wood beater is kind of like playing with wood tip drumsticks on cymbals. You can play with like felt mallets on cymbals and it's very warm, and you can play with nylon tipped mallets on cymbals and it's very pingy. But this hits right in the middle of all of those and it sounds awesome. So if you're in the market for something that hits just between the plastic and the felt beater, this thing's amazing. I really like this guy and I highly recommend it.